Vacuum Sealer Packing Machine. Reduce waste, preserve nutrients, flavor, and longevity of your food with the easy use of a vacuum system. This vacuum sealer machine will not only help you save food but also help you save time and money. Removes most of the oxygen and helps in reduce the speed of oxidation and the growth of microorganisms and mold, which causes bacteria. Best by choice for a smooth and organized kitchen. The vacuum food sealer with an improved program provides quick sealing in 6 to 11 seconds, 6 to 9 seconds for dry mode and 8 to 11 seconds for moist mode. This food packing machine is good for continuous working without taking breaks between each round of vac seal. Designed uniquely with a built-in cutter for creating customized vacuum bags. An advanced control panel with an LED indicator light provides convenience for identifying the actual working status. The vacuum sealer machine installed with a high-quality suction pump provides up to 60 kPa suction force. The moist/dry mode setting helps in the optimized sealing of different foods. The instant sealing system in the food sealing machine prevents delicate foods from crushing. Automatic food sealer with 3 mm sealing width supports perfectly for sous vide cooking and avoids splitting during boiling. Ideal gift choice for your family and friends.